Instead of opening the bottle of beer with the cap, I use my teeth. Not a good idea. Don't ever try it, because these bottom two teeth snapped in half. And that was probably the last time I really smiled, because I lost the confidence, because these two teeth were that small. After I did it, I couldn't smile properly because I was more embarrassed of what I did. Now I've had my teeth done, I should have more confidence. I feel like I can smile and everybody smiles with me at the end of the day. My impression of Istanbul. Fantastic, what a lovely place. But I felt so welcome. I think every single person in Turkey, loving people who love each other. Hi, I'm Michael from Stockport, England, Greater Manchester. I am 55 years old. I think the last time I properly smiled was when I was probably in my teenage stage. Pain, suffering, having no confidence, that was the worst thing. The reason I chose Turkey, Dentakay, is I was already looking for my teeth to be done. And I've been to England, phoned a couple of dentists up, and the price was extortionate. And I just couldn't find the reason why I would have to pay that much money to have a little bit of work done. So I researched Dentakay and other dental practices. And Dentakay came probably top by 100%. And they never pressurised me into doing it. The feedback off customers and the feedback off your website was more professional. And I really do think I made the perfect decision. To be honest, everything has gone perfect at the end of the day, from start to finish. I was nervous because it was me and Linda who came together, and we thought, oh, with the taxi going to be here? We came through exactly what they said. The WhatsApp message from the taxi company, and there's a guy there with the board. Happy days. My first impression of Dentakay when I came in, spotless. Absolute spotless. Professionalism, smiles, everybody smiling. This is what we want, this is what I want. Top of the wagon, the dentist. Wow, he's amazing. From start to finish, he knew exactly what he was doing. He made you feel comfortable, made you feel warm, and made you probably feel special. My ID card might need changing now because it's got my old smile on it. Right? But straight away I'm going to have to smile. Hiya, I'm Michael. And hopefully within a split second that smile comes on my face, they'll feel at ease. As we say in England, happy as Larry. If you actually are thinking of actually changing your teeth, changing your smile, come to Dentakay. Fantastic, 100% guaranteed success. Say no more?